We have another waiver for you guys.
Hey, what we doing right now?
Figure that out later. We're
Tell us
fucked
where
on
we're
that,
going.
yeah.
Tell us what's going on right now, bro.
We're doing a little beach workout, TFT. Got all the traders here.
Yes, sir.
Tanner, the boy, come here. About to put us through it. About to elevate us. Spirit
Hey,
energy to another
real
level.
quick. Drop the
TK
IG.
Elevate, baby. Follow me. Come train with the best.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Right now, come on. Bring it in. Listen. I'm not gonna take it easy on you guys. We're all here. As young men, we're gonna do our best. Do your best. Don't be too hard on yourself. You guys understand that? We're here. We're gonna feed off each other. We're gonna have great energy. All right? Give me a little. Hey. Elevate on 3. 1, 2, 3. Hey. Great job. All right. So what we're gonna do is, I need 2 lines here. Ready? First thing, knee hug. 3. Go. Knee hug. Pay attention. Walk with me.
Have you taken TK's training before?
Taking TK's training, it's fucking insane. He's the
Insane.
best trainer in Miami.
Best trainer.
Best trainer in Miami, best trainer in the States.
Let's go.
You're the best.
What's your name?
Ashton.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's 100 degrees though.
Hey, get your asses up here, baby. Come on, we're not even warmed up yet. Bounce. Everyone bounce with me, go. When I point the football this way, snap the hips. Football this way, snap. When I slap the football, go. First two, ready, feet. Knees up. Go. All the way down.
Man, that's alright, man.
Great.
It was a good
You
workout.
know you guys are only a quarter of the way through, right?
Yeah, see, I didn't know that.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Well, I need to chuck this whole thing then.
No, don't
No,
do it,
that's
bro.
not
That
good
might
either.
be bad.
I'm gonna get cramped. Probably.
Take your time, you know. Ready for the next?
I'm ready for the next.
Let's get it.
Let's get it.
That boy's putting in work.
Bring it in, guys. You guys are part of the team. Bring it in. Listen, guys, we're not getting no younger. The best moment of your life is where you're at right now. You understand? You got to take advantage of now. That's all you can do. The future, you can't get that. The past, you can. No matter how much money you got, you're not getting that back. Right now, do the best you can. Believe in yourself. Don't be too hard on yourself. We got elevate on 3. 1, 2, 3. Elevate!
How you feeling, bro?
I'm beat.
What do you got to say about TK's workouts, bro?
I'm about to die. I regret signing that fucking waiver.
Both feet in. Both feet in. Both feet in. 2 in each. Go. 2 in each. 2 in each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Hey, get in line. I need you.
Let's go, boy.
Let's go.
Let's go, boy.
Pay attention. Touch the line. Do not touch the football.
Let's go, Angelo. Let's go. Let's go, Angelo.
Come on. Touch. I'm watching. I'm watching. You got it, man. Come on. Let's go, Lorenzo. You're going to let him beat you, Lorenzo? Come on, Lorenzo. Come on. Hand it off. Now we're talking about language. High knees in place. High knees in place. Bump your arms. Drop the shoulders. Come up a little bit. Guys, if you're not fucking going, we all got 10 burpees. As soon as I snap the ball, next person high knees. You understand? Yes, sir. We're going on the football, not on me. You go on me, you got 10 push-ups. Go! Go! Hey! Nice job. Come on. Go! Hit! Oh my.
How you feeling, bro?
Bro,
Is this your first cardio workout?
nah, I be doing cardio here and there, but
Hey, what do you got to say to someone who's just starting trading?
listen, bro, you gotta fucking put the work in. No one's gonna do this except you. You heard what the CEO said of the largest firm right now in the game, okay? You gotta have that 1% mentality. And if you think like that, if you push yourself while you're at your worst period, you can do any fucking thing, bro.
Think about how you feel right now, right? When you're in drawdown in your account, no low key, 9%. You're sitting in your room, you're like, I'm fucked. All these thoughts are going through your head. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't go forward. A lot of you guys are taking that medicine, you're saying, fuck that. I'm about to make it happen. I'm about to go back to break even. I'm about to become successful. Right now is when you're in 9% drawdown.
Love that
and
shit.
it's easy to quit, right? But it's the 1%, the 5%
Lorenzo, get up.
that make it through.
Bring it in tight.
So just finish. We got the ocean, we got beautiful, beautiful weather, we got Tanner pushing us.
We got each other.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's finish strong.
Finish on three. Finish on three. 1, 2, 3. Finish.
Yes, I can. Doubt, better leave. I'm running with this plan. Pull me, grab me, crabs in the bucket can't have me. I'll be the president one day. January 1st. Oh, you like that gossip? Like you the one drinking what gossip?
1, 2, 3.